Guys, today we'll be doing garbage trucks. So first up we have this one. It's gonna come around over there to pick up the bins that are actually right over there. Okay, it's here. So let's watch it pick up this one first. Now, okay, it's got it in. It dumped it. I should get all the trash off the cover too. So now let's do this other one. Yeah, I used 2 of these because I ran out of the actual kind of bin that you're going to see the rest of this truck pick up. So I thought, well, I guess I could use these little containers from the real littles. So now that's done. Let's toss that in there. Time to pick up this blue one. And they dumped it. The reason they're all like here in a bunch is because, well, like how the city decided to do trash collection. I decided to do the collections by putting all the bins together. Just so you guys know, you will in fact see multiple recycling pickups. You'll see this truck picking up these mini recycling containers. There'll be something else. There'll be another truck picking up the big bins like all these. Let's dump these last few. Let's make sure to clean that all up. You guys can in fact see all the trash that goes into these trucks today in my dumping video, which I have in fact planned for tomorrow. Tomorrow, probably morning. But as of now, there is no official release date for that. But there will be soon. So, time for the compactor to crush all this stuff out. Oh, they got it all crushed. So now the truck's gonna pull over here. Then, up next, we have this truck coming out. I'm going to pick up these yellow bins. So I'm just going to move it back. Here's the first one. I'm going to move the camera closer to the loading area. Closer to it actually, because that would actually make it an easier view, so it won't be obstructed. Your view shouldn't be obstructed. This time they made a bit of a mess. Oh well, I'm going to clean up all these messes with our reloading truck who's going to be coming around to pick up trash. So this green one here is going to be our final one for this truck. Let's crush everything out. I'm going to shake it a bit to make it empty. Yep, there's a mess here. side loader made a mess. They parked that. Now comes this truck to pick up these blue bins. So, that's our first one. And there's our second one. Here's our third one. And of course, this is the fifth one. I don't know why the fifth one was decided to be picked up sideways, but it was. Now let's put this truck in the park. Now I decided we're going to shift this over to do this truck now, to do dumpsters. To do some dumpster pickups. Okay, here's our truck to pick up our first dumpster. So I got a refrigerator in my room. So like when I'm editing videos and I get a little hungry, I can just grab a drink or grab a snack. Even though I don't usually edit, it's more for like when but if I do edit my video, that's what that's for. It's also just where I can store drinks if I want to grab a drink during a video. Yeah, our truck has gotten a lot of stuff in it. This truck here is almost packed full. Like how these dumpsters are so full of cardboard. I actually decided to base that off of something I saw on YouTube today. It was a garbage truck. They had like very full, like, you know, mini recycling bins like most cities don't use now, but some cities still do use. It was like packed up with cardboard over the top. I kind of really like that. I like being able to watch my truck lift the dumpster when it's packed out with cardboard. Okay, place that down, and real quick, I'm gonna show you this truck from the top, right there, as you can see. So it's all been crushed. I'm trying to crush it. I'm going to take this off of the tripod. I'm going to cut the video until I put it into the next spot. Okay, I'm sorry. This truck isn't going to work. I don't think. It's not like it's just not in a light enough area in here. You can't see anything with this. And my phone's like too low battery to use the flashlight. So guys, I'm sorry, but we're not going to be able to really get a good view of this truck. Okay, I guess we could, like from the back, like a back angle. Because it is a rear loading truck, actually. Yeah, you know what, a back angle has to do. You guys won't really be able to see much of the functions of it. Okay, there we go. Make that work, I guess. try to hurry through this. Like, just so you know, if you guys have ever been to San Antonio, if you ever rode any of the buses, or if you've ever been in San Antonio and got anything, like maybe guides or anything, because I had a few old guides, like travel guides and stuff in San Antonio, you guys might recognize some of the stuff I'm gonna have it being dumped out. Most of the stuff is gonna be coming from the first truck, but some of it will come from the other truck. So, we crush the trash. So while we're waiting, I brought the 2 cans over. I'm gonna dump this in. If you guys would like to know how I made this, it's actually an old toilet paper roll with a piece of cardboard taped on the bottom to hold it. See? Something taped on the bottom. So that piece, that's one of the Easter eggs I was talking about. It just got stuck to the bottom of the can underneath the cardboard. So, see, like, that's how I made it. I stuck a piece of cardboard at the bottom to hold it. So everything is picked up, guys. I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you liked it, please smash that like button. And please like, subscribe, and comment. Goodbye.